Hi, and welcome back. What you're looking at is a furnace from the 1970s. What I'm thinking I'm going to do with it is turn it into a smelting furnace so I can smelt down some brass, bronze, aluminum for casting. I think this will actually work okay. It looks like it's got a hydronic baseboard attachment on the top because it was originally a hydronic heater. So I've got to get all that off first, and that might end up just sitting here and being used to weight down the lathe because it's ridiculously heavy. So I don't know that it's actually going to get moved. I'd probably have to piece it out to even get it out of here. But the base, down there that is, should work pretty well for a smelting furnace. I have to get the top off first and see what it looks like on the inside. So I'll probably reline it with bricks and use the existing fuel injector to inject liquid fuels into it. Not sure what the temperature is going to be on that. I'll have to check that too. I'll take some more video once it actually gets down to the point where I can see all the parts in it and have the bits separated out that I'm going to be using for the furnace. You know, this might actually work. So if anybody's curious what the donor boiler is, there we go. It's a Utica unit from, I think, the mid-70s. There's some 75, 76 stampings on some of the parts. And it looks like the top part is separated into three pieces. So those look like tension bars. And if we pan up here, if we look over here, this looks like it's separated into three pieces, and tension bars are probably what's holding it together. So what I'm going to do is try to take this apart. I'll try to pop the top off it so we can get into the guts of the thing. The other parts that hold it on are just these four bolts, similar to this one down here. There's four of them. Two on the front, two on the back, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, there's nothing holding the boiler section on top of the furnace. That's what holds it all together and keeps the hydronic part on the furnace core, which is what I want to turn into a smelter. So yeah, watch out for the next video. We'll be taking a look at what's inside that and maybe what makes the hydronic portion of it go. Till next time.